Want to earn free Ethereum without trading? Staking platforms make it possible. Here's how it works. First, choose a trusted staking platform like Lido, Coinbase, or Binance Earn. These platforms let you stake Ethereum and earn rewards just by holding it. So for example, I'm going to be using Lido. Go to the Lido and then go to Stake and Earn. It'll take you to this page. Here, tap Connect Wallet, and then connect your wallet, whether it's MetaMask, OKX, Ledger, or a browser wallet. I'll connect a Phantom. Press Connect, and then it'll show up like here. Now, deposit your Ethereum into the platform. Some require a minimum, while others let you start with free fractions of Ethereum, which makes it beginner friendly. When you stake, your Ethereum gets locked into the Ethereum network to help validate transactions. In return, you receive stake and rewards, basically free Ethereum over time. Rewards are usually paid daily or weekly depending on the platform. Rates vary, but you can expect somewhere between 3% to 6% annual rewards depending on market conditions. And that's it. If you hold it ETH, don't just let it sit, stake it and start earning free Ethereum with staking platforms. It's passive, secure, and simple. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.